everyone, welcome to Embellish the Story. It's Tammy. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, I'm so glad you stopped in today and joined us. And I wanted to thank you for your support and all the love you give me. And I'm really excited to share part of my design team project for Oohlala Vintage Treasures. It's a little embellishment set I've made, and this design team project is using the Romantique Serenade Crystals and Pearls Kit Club set, and I will leave a link to Oohlala Vintage Treasures Facebook page where you can inquire about the Crystals and Pearls Kit Club. You can message Doreen and ask her about it. And the digitals I use are all from her Romantique Serenades kits that are available in her Etsy shop. So I will leave a link to Doreen's Etsy shop, and I will I'm going to try to remember exactly which kits I used, but I used several, so I will try and I'll tell you what they are as we go. But this was a really fun kit to create with. It's got a lot of pinks and creams, and then she threw in some hints of mint green, and it's just this soothing blue-green color that reminds me of the Caribbean. So it was a different thing for me to create with that color, but I found it was very, very enjoyable. So Doreen, this set is just beautiful, and all the goodies that I've created these embellishments with, everything came from the Crystals and Pearls Kit Club. So I just wanted to show you these goodies. There are several things here. This isn't that cute? It's a little shopping bag. It's got the little handles, and it is in the mini craft bag journal set in her Etsy shop. And I just popped this little flat back seashell pearl on there because a lot of these images deal with they're like images of a really gorgeous beach or the ocean, and y'all know that's my happy place, the ocean. It truly is. So these are so neat, and I wanted to show this to you. Let me see. It's tied with a piece of lace from the kit, and if I can quit fiddling with it and untie it, because I love what I was able to do with this. These are the sweetest little craft bags. They're like so cute. And look, I just made it into a fold out journal piece. So you can journal there, and you can fold it up, and then you can hang this from like a tag as a dangle. So I really, really love this. This is an image that I cut out from probably a postcard, one of the postcards. I can't really remember where I cut that image, like I said. But here is this little sweet piece. And then here is a tag I made. And this is an elegant, it reminded me of a hotel. And there are some French phrases in the kit. And I'm pretty sure, these are probably from the ephemera set. If they're not from there, they're from a set called Suitcases, Tickets, and Tags. So I used I used 5 different sets here. But this beautiful rosette came in the Crystals and Pearls Kit Club kit. All these trims you see in this came from there. And isn't that elegant? Just beautiful. And see how there's just a hint of the aqua blue or the blue greens in there. Just so pretty. I backed it with this. This was a tag, one of the kits. So there's that. Here is a little pocket I made. This is the medium size mini craft bag journal piece that's in there. So it's from that set, and I made it into a pocket. So what's in here is a little, I cut these out and I glued them on half of an envelope. So that's an envelope in there. So here's the little bag. I used the little bow charm and this sparkly, beautiful aqua trim she gave us with some pinks. I love the way she mixed the pink and the green and the creams. Pink and green are 2 of my very favorite colors together. Look at this. Isn't that gorgeous? The beautiful boat and like it's under the pier. Oh, I just love it. And then that waterfall. So in this little pocket, I have some really cute embellishments I've made. We'll start at the front. Here's just, there's a whole page of tickets. And so I just cut out one page. Most of them have a saying on them. Some of them, I believe, are plain. I backed them. Look at that damask page. That page is so versatile. It can be used in like every project I do, I think. So pretty. And there's a whole page of tickets. There's a postcard set, and this is just one of them. And it looks like, you know, film strips where you've taken photos of your vacation. And I love that rose, that peony border. And then I used one of the seashell pearls again and some of her beautiful lace. Here is a tag. I'm pretty sure this tag came from Suitcases, Tickets, and Tags, because it looks like it's like an airline ticket. Isn't that creative? Like you're getting on the airline to go. But so I'm pretty sure that's where this came from. There's like these really gorgeous shabby suitcases in that kit. Just gorgeous. I topped it with this raw silk, gorgeous pink trim. And then she had these cutest little die cuts, the anchor and the chain and the small anchor. So I just put those on there. And that kind of reminded me, we didn't fly, but it kind of reminded me when we went on a cruise. I don't know, just the travel and things to the Caribbean. So it brought me back to the vacation last year. And then this is just a scrappy pad I popped in there. And in that, look at that. That was cut off of a whole, I think that was cut off of a postcard, but there's a whole page of this gorgeousness. You can see the ocean back there. Like, I imagine that's what the French Riviera would look like. I've never been there, but I imagine that's what it would look like. I used these stunning dyed papers that A Trace of Sparkle did in a collaboration with her on this kit. Here's a pink hand-dyed paper. So this scrappy booklet is just so pretty. And all of these things tuck inside this pocket. And then I have the shaker tag, and I made this with you guys a couple of videos ago where I did the shaker. Oh, here you can see that picture with the ocean behind these urns in this beautiful walkway. And we made this together. So I'll leave a link to that video. This was so much fun to make. I can make these shakers a bunch. They are precious to make. I backed it with her beautiful damask digital and the floral digital. So, and then I parted with, I don't know how I parted with this lace cluster, but this lace cluster came in her kit. So these are some beautiful digitals, truly perfect for summer. I really had fun with this set. So elegant, so classy, and just absolutely a pleasure to create with Doreen's digitals. So thanks for joining me as I show you part of what I'm working on for the design team. These pieces will appear in my Etsy shop. So kind of be looking out for them when I get a chance to list them. Thanks for joining me, you guys. And the links to Doreen's YouTube and her Etsy shop will be in the description box. And always remember to embellish the story. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.